Begitu kata Morota juga selalu matakan lisan ya kalau tuh besar anak ini sawah. Itu kalau enggak ada, kita pakai orang cuma enggak ada narika kalau enggak natal beber itu enggak erro wala nonton lagi di sawah kalau. Kalau talagang gon na ya baba, abi kami naturang kita pakai yo. Gua terus aku tuh boleh usir tuh nero. Kasi dia mau bantu saramo. Kalau sana kalau lutu besar anak ini sawah kalau. Roma de tunga na dinaliwaliwa, doon na dinaliwaliwa tunga ya wang kasar tuang kamatang kung kayo di raka tuang nakakala. We've been a kingdom from a ragi.
Weather throughout the 3 days, and also on the crowning night of our carnival 2015. We have our religious leaders to give thanks back to the Lord for His heavenly blessing.
उपस्थित मुख्य करने के लिए आज की रात्रि में जो भी आज आप सभी जुटे हैं, मैं पुनः बुधवार से आज से लगातार ईश्वर की आसीन कृपा तरह परिपूर्ण हुआ है। हर एक तरह से यही विनती प्रार्थना ईश्वर से करें कि हे भगवान
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome our honored guests on stage.
Runner-up last year, and she was sponsored by Tabua Medical. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? In a few minutes' time, she'll be handing over the crown to the 2015 Miss Waterfall Gold and Water Carnival. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the reigning Miss Waterfall Gold and Water Carnival 2014 Miss Short. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Gondar Steven Hardware Shiwani Devi. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The chairperson for the year 2015 Golden Water Carnival, Mr. Malesi Hanfiro, major sponsor, Vodafone Future, all the people of Tava for supporting me throughout this carnival. Without you, I couldn't make it until this end. Pinakabakaliw.
Estoy activo con mi guineo, dale que ya salió del pantalón. Ponte así, ponte posición. Muévelo mami, yo le cuento mi meneo. Rompe que estoy activo con mi guineo, dale que ya salió del pantalón. Ponte así, ponte posición.
Ever since the beginning of our Golden Water Carnival in 2012. So we the people of I believe people of Tawa do not need much of the introduction, but I'll fail in my duties if
Bola Binaka Tabua. At the outset, let me briefly talk about Miss Fiji pageant. Most of you will recall that it was here in Tavua during last year's carnival when I made a very strong statement for us to revisit on the selection of Miss Fiji. Till last year, whoever was Miss Hibiscus used to represent Fiji. Early this year, I requested all the municipalities for a meeting, and whereby we have resolved that from now onwards, Miss Fiji will be selected after we're going to have the Battle of the Queens in Nandi. Just like we have Battle of Giants in Nassori, we are going to have Battle of Queens in Nandi for the first time in the history of this country. So that is fair to all the districts. Look at here, Tavua. Every year, they work so hard. But what happens to Miss Golden Otter? Just to this end, the last night. Now, whoever will be Miss or will be crowned Miss Golden Otter will have an opportunity to battle in the Battle of the Queens in Nandi. So with that, I want to thank the organizing committee. Let me say, whatever I left in 2013, the organizing committee has maintained that. And I want to say thank you so much for doing that. It is indeed my pleasure and honor to be invited here this evening as a chief guest. I thank the organizers for the warm words of introduction and welcome, and I'm sure that you are all looking forward to the climax of tonight's carnival. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to see that as minister responsible for local government, our cities and towns are taking further steps to do extra activities to raise money for the worthy cause. This is something besides the normal course of their businesses. I understand that the main objective of the Vodafone Golden Otter Carnival is to raise funds for the beautification of Tavua town. I have been also informed that works on the shelter for the taxis, buses, minivans, and other upgrading works have been completed, with the works on the new water fountain in progress. Government has continued to develop this town through funding of projects. The repairing and maintenance of Gavi Park Pavilion, upgrading of V-drains along the NLDC subdivision, footpath resurfacing and upgrading of reservoir settlement. Ladies and gentlemen, you will also recall that last year, during my speech, I said that the works will commence on the reservoir squatter settlement, and that has also started. And by end of this year, they should be issued with the lease, 99 years of lease. Ladies and gentlemen, we now have a multi-purpose court which will be opened next week. You have our own compactor garbage truck and a new multi-purpose hall which will be completed soon. At this juncture, as the Prime Minister has highlighted yesterday about the environment, likewise my message to the people of Tavua, please, Kere Kere, have pride for your town. Don't throw rubbish here and there. Please, have pride for your towns and cities. Government so far has allocated about $600,000 to the Tavua Town Council in undertaking the various projects in Tavua. The future of Tavua is bright, and government will continue to assist the town with its capital projects. I acknowledge the major sponsor, Vodafone, and the co-sponsors for coming on board and support the 2015 Carnival. To the hard-working Carnival Committee members and the contestants, thank you for the effort in putting this 2015 Vodafone Golden Oda Carnival. Ladies and gentlemen, let us not forget our hard-working volunteers, members of the Carnival Committee, those that are working behind the scene. Some of them we don't even see. We thank you for giving your time and effort in assisting the Tavua Town Council as well as the committee. To the people of Tavua and Batukola, thank you for your support as well. Surely, we can say that this carnival has brought us together. I will conclude with the words of one Ray Kroc, in which he said, "The more I help others to succeed, the more I succeed." On this note, ladies and gentlemen, before I crown the Miss Vodafone Golden Order 2015, I again thank each one of you for supporting the beautification work in Tavua Town, as well as making this carnival a successful one. May God bless you all. Vinaka.
Vodafone Fiji is proud to support the spirit of togetherness in Tavua for the past 6 years. We continue to boost this year's marked event in extending our commitment to support the effort of Tavua Council for the better Tavua. As the 2015 Vodafone Golden Water Carnival draws to an end, after 4 days of memorable festivities, we support a noble cause in charity for the development of this town. Over the days, you have witnessed people from all walks of life converge together on this ground to support these beautiful ladies to raise funds for the Tavua community. The carnival has been a beneficial initiative with fundamental cause to educate, improve, and empower the many individuals and communities. This stage has been a perfect platform to mold these young women into confident ambassadors, fostering positive social footprint. Through this contest of beauty and brains, the Queen will be crowned tonight. The bar has been raised for Queen contestants. Now, as the announced Queen will carry on her passion in representing the ring for the Miss Fiji crown later in the year. My message to you all is that all are winners in our own right, and I encourage you all to continue this passion to make a difference and bring forth positive change in your communities. The experience of being part of this event is in itself a rewarding and enriching experience. Ladies and gentlemen, Vodafone Fiji has always been in the forefront to give back to our people as part of our value, which is called the passion for our Vanua. Vodafone, in its philanthropic initiatives, has seen many projects undertaken by the Vodafone ATH Foundation for the communities across the country. 21 years on, we move ahead with continued passion and commitment for the Vanua. Vodafone has in the past and always will be the sponsored events and not only benefit individuals but communities as a whole. Being the #1 mobile operator in the country, we have been able to deliver cutting-edge technology to the majority of populace and will continue to provide innovative products and services to empower our customers. Finally, I acknowledge everyone that has participated in the carnival this year and took part in a week-long fiesta of fun, togetherness and infotainment. On behalf of the Vodafone family, I wish all contestants the very best and acknowledge the efforts of Tavua Town Council in making this year's event yet another successful one. Together, we will work towards making the festival to greater heights and anticipate a bigger carnival next year for the people of Tavua. Vinaka Vakalevu, God bless you and power to you all.
That the pageant winners will be getting. Miss Golden Water will... Miss Chico Raj will have a night and $100 spending money at Crown Towers in Nandi. My shop and say supermarket. Sumatra shop and say. Another round of applause now for Miss Charity 2015. She won it, Debbie. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, for the second year, sponsored by Miss Pabua Medical, Shita Raj. Miss Shita Raj gets a trip to overseas with compliments of PG pages. Congratulations on Miss Shita Raj. First of all, I would like to thank Almighty God for giving me strength and confidence for these 4 days of Carnival. I would like to thank the major sponsor for this year's Carnival, Vodafone, power to you. I would like to thank the organizing committee for this year's Carnival. I would like to thank my Tagwa hospital staffs, each and every staff for the love and support. I'd like to thank my parents for supporting me and having faith in me.